7 Steps to a Successful Morning Routine in 2025. Hey, it's Alongo. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and create a life you absolutely love? Today we're diving into the power of morning routines. In this video, I'll show you how to create a powerful morning routine that boosts productivity, energy, and focus. Let's get started. Let's talk about waking up early. You don't have to become a 5 a.m. unless you want to. Even just shifting your wake-up time by 15 to 30 minutes can make a world of difference. Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, but instead of hitting snooze, you resist the urge to crawl back under the covers. You open your eyes, take a deep breath, and embrace the quiet of the morning. Successful people often start their day early. Listen to your body and gradually adjust your wake-up time to avoid burnout. Start by going to bed 15 minutes earlier and waking up 15 minutes earlier for a few days. My friends, let's talk about the simplest yet most powerful act of self-care: hydration. After a long night of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Start your day with a tall glass of water. It rehydrates your body after hours of sleep and kickstarts your metabolism. Bonus! Want to take it up a notch? Add a squeeze of fresh lemon to your water. Lemon water is a natural detoxifier, aids in digestion, and gives your immune system a boost with vitamin C. Okay, are you ready for one of my all-time favorite morning rituals? Grab your journal and let's talk about gratitude. Spend a few minutes each morning writing down things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or the sunshine streaming through your window. Gratitude helps shift your mindset to positivity and sets the tone for a productive day. Alright, it's time to get those endorphins flowing. One of the most transformative things you can do for your mind, body, and spirit is to move your body in the morning. Exercise or stretch for a few minutes each morning. Whether it's a quick workout, yoga, or a simple stretch, physical activity boosts your energy and mood. Trust me, your brain and body will thank you for it. Ready to unlock your productivity superpowers? One of the simplest yet most effective ways to set yourself up for success is to plan your day. Take 5 to 10 minutes to review your goals and set your priorities for the day. Use a planner or digital tool to create a clear roadmap for the day. When you have a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, it's amazing how much more focused and energized you'll feel. In today's digital age, it's so easy to get sucked into the scroll. Challenge: try staying off social media for the first hour of your day. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, resist the urge to check those notifications and give yourself the gift of disconnecting. Use this time to focus on yourself, your intentions, and create a sense of peace before diving into the digital world. Let's talk about the most important meal of the day: breakfast. After a long night of fasting, your body needs nourishment to kickstart your metabolism and fuel your day. Eat a healthy breakfast to fuel your body with a nutritious meal to sustain your energy levels. Include protein, healthy fats, and whole grains for a balanced start. A nourished body leads to a nourished mind, which sets the stage for a truly remarkable day. So there you have it, my friend. 7 powerful steps to create a morning routine that will transform your life. Remember, the key is to start small, be patient with yourself, and have fun experimenting with different practices to find what feels best for you. What's one thing you'll add to your morning routine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on self-improvement. See you in the next video.